If you are experiencing hair loss and fear that you are destined for the same fate as your father or other relatives, then you need to pay attention right now. Despite the common belief that genetic hair loss is inevitable, experts like Dr. Lou Kemper make it clear only 1% of all cases of hair loss are truly hereditary. In fact, there are simple and cost-effective methods to combat hair loss sustainably and naturally. The irony, these methods, despite being scientifically proven, are often not recommended by doctors. You might wonder why. The answer may involve financial interests. Unfortunately, many large corporations have a huge stake in selling their medical medications, which often create dependencies and come with unwanted side effects. But enough of that, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Selim Dursun. I myself suffered from complete hair loss for 4 to 5 years. Despite endless therapies, my doctor eventually gave up hope, but I didn't give up. I embarked on my own research journey where I discovered natural and sustainable methods for hair generation that are scientifically sound but little known and seldom recommended. And eventually, I found a competent dermatologist, a professor, who took over my treatment. And to his surprise, my hair started growing again. He called it a miracle, but for me, it wasn't a miracle because the methods I applied can work for everyone experiencing hair problems. To share this cutting-edge insight with the world, I wrote this book with a foreword by that very professor, Dr. Schopp from the University Clinic of Mainz. In my book, I explain how you can stop your hair loss and boost your hair growth with the sustainable and natural methods. If you want to learn more, click the link below and secure your copy. Together, we will overcome hair loss.